Okay, I knew there'd be some puddles, there always is down here, but I didn't think that's quite what our path would look like. Dogs don't seem overly upset though, do they? In fact, they seem very happy. Wow, we can see just how high that water came. And of course, the tree down. I'm not sure if you can really get the sort of impression on the video, but that's how far, at least, water came to, where the grass is flattened. Okay, I've put dogs on leads because we've come around the corner. Wow, this is running fast. And it looks as though some of the bank has collapsed as well, so I'm staying well clear of the edges. Yeah, that whole section of bank and tree have gone. Wow, I've never seen it this high. And just look at where it came to yesterday again. All that flattened grass. There's no way I want dogs down there today. Yeah, running and playing in water like this, I have no issue with at all. A river where they can't see the edge of a river into a weir, that is not fun. Come on, man. Go on. Go on, then. Come on then! Yeah! Well, after 3 days of competing and training, that's exactly what Oti and Merlin needed this morning. Just a chance to run, play, be dogs. And water is always one of their most popular things. So yeah, don't let the weather stop you getting out. Get out, enjoy your dogs, just stay safe. Watch out for the edges of rivers, edges of anywhere that could be crumbling, that your dog wouldn't be aware of, you wouldn't be aware of. Just use common sense. But isn't it great to see them out there enjoying themselves? I love it. You all know by now that I love training my dogs because I love working with them. Challenges for all of us. But this is what I really, really enjoy. Getting out into the countryside, all around the UK, whether it's just for local fields or a far more sort of unusual walk, impressive walk. Just get out there. Let your dogs enjoy themselves and be dogs. Physical work, brain work, and we have happy dogs and happy peoples. Take care, everyone.